Hey, hello guys. Uh, Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some amazing opportunities that Oracle has given us. Free certifications for Oracle Cloud infrastructure. So the challenge begins the challenge begins in June 1 and then it ends on 31st August 2023. So it has allowed us to attain an in-demand skill across OCI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, Oracle Cloud infrastructure, multi-cloud, data management application, business process, and earn badges and win prizes for free. So you can click on the join the race to the certification. So we have Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, Oracle Database Management, Oracle Cloud Application. So, and again, a good thing about Oracle is that they have also provided a free training and certification. So you don't pay a dime for you to be able to do these certifications. So I'm going to click through the tab just to see what we have. So the first tab is Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, that is showing technology roles. So it depends with you. If you want to be an architecture, then you can choose you can choose Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. You have the foundational level. I don't think this one does not require a race to 2023 certification exam attempt. But you can also do OCI Architect Associate 2023, which is provided in English, Brazilian, Portuguese, and Spanish. We also have Oracle Cloud Infrastructure 2023 Multi-Cloud Architect Associate. This is a new exam. I remember when I was doing my Oracle Cloud, this one was not there. So I've seen now Oracle has introduced this exam. So we also have Oracle Redwood Application 2023 Developer Associate. So for this one, I remember it was just called Developer Associate when I was doing that exam. But now I see they have changed the name. So that one is for the intermediate, and then we have the advanced. This one is more of a professional, and we have OCI Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Architect Professional 2023. I think I've already done this one, and we also have the OCI Developer Professional. This is a new certification; it was not there, so they are also providing it in English, Brazilian, Portuguese, and Spanish. And then we have OCI Application Integration Professional. Even this one is a new exam; it was not there initially. And then we have Observability Professional 2023. This is also a new exam. And then we have Oracle Apex Cloud. Actually, most of these professional exams, I think the only exam that was there was the Architect Professional. But I saw they also introduced the Security Cloud Operation Professional. We only had an associate. So we have DevOps, especially for those people who would like to venture into DevOps and become DevOps engineer. Then you do the OCI DevOps professional, and then we have the security geeks, the ones who are interested in the security of the cloud. Then you can do this security engineer architect. So we have an exam for it, which is OCI security professional. So actually, you can go through all these this table list and then try to find out which path you would like to take. And then at the end, we have start learning and earn certification to win. So basically, this is the challenge. You have the sector 1, sector 2, and sector 3. So on the sector 1, they get started. You have to complete one digital course, attend one live session, pass one certification, and then you win one certification attempt, valid for 1 year, assigned at the end of the program. So, and then they also provide you with a special Oracle University Community Sector 1 badge. So when you complete the Sector 1 challenge, then you are they'll give you a digital you're going to get a digital badge for special Oracle University Community. So for sector 2, they call it the speed on. So for this one, you have to complete two digital courses, and the advantage of this that is that these courses are all completely free, so you don't have to pay any money. So attend one live session and then pass the two certification exam. So you can choose any of the exam you want to pass. I think I showed them in our previous table, so you can always check on this one and then decide which one you are going to take. So what you're going to win is that you're going to be given one additional certification attempt. Let's say, for instance, you failed the exam and you want to make another attempt, they will provide you with an opportunity of you being able to recite for the exam. And then they'll also give you the Special Oracle University Community Sector 2 badge. And then another thing is that they'll also give you an Oracle branded uh, cape for the first 300 to complete the Sector 2 with the highest cumulative exam score. So you must be in the top 300 that performed better and you have a good score. And one thing I will still mention about these goodies or these special offers that Oracle is providing. I remember when I was doing my Oracle back in the 2020, we never used to have this. The only thing that they provided was just to do the exams. And actually, we were doing them on the Pearson View. And then later on, they decided now they want to host their own exam on their own website. So for these goodies, they were not there. But now I think these incentives, they have just introduced them just to encourage people to take their courses and be able to certify for their exams just to understand their product. So the last one is the sector 3 race to finish, complete three. So for this one, you have to complete three digital courses, attend one live session, pass four certification exam, of which two of them have to be from the professional exam. So basically, if you go back to the table of lists, so you have to make sure you have at least two of these professional exams for you to qualify for this, but you have to do at least four. So, meaning if you have two and then do two intermediate, then you qualify for this sector 3. And also, you make sure just that you attend one live session, then you'll have qualified for this. So, after you have completed this, you are going to win one additional certification attempt, valid for 1 year, assigned at the end of the program. And then Special Oracle University Community Sector 3 badge, you're going to be given that access to OCI labs for 3 months and community spotlight. So basically, one advantage of having these OCI labs is that it allows you to do some projects, and with these projects, you can actually showcase to your prospective employer or your future employer that you did this and this and this. And basically, the world today is that okay, certification will make you or will make the employer invite you for an interview, but you also need to show some practical skills that you have. If you are to set up a virtual machine in the cloud, then you need to show them how to do it. If it's about the security, you need also to show them how to configure those security apparatus in the cloud. So basically, with these OCI labs, it will actually help you to gain the practical skill that you need for you to excel in the career in the cloud. And then another thing that in the sector 3 they are providing is Oracle branded jacket to the first 300 to complete sector 3 with the highest cumulative exam score. So for sector 2 they are giving you a cape for the first 300 to complete the sector 2, and then for the sector 3 they are giving you a branded jacket. So, and again, I will still mention that for Oracle, when I was doing my certification, when they were offering them for free, for us, we only did the exam and then we passed. We were never given some of these incentives they are giving out now. So I would encourage each and everyone who would like to venture into the cloud that to take this opportunity, because most of these certifications are very, very, very expensive. And this is an opportunity for you to put your foot forward into the cloud, especially if you are interested, because that's where the world is going to, especially with the COVID 19. When COVID 19 came, most of the people lost their job, and some companies had to rethink on how they can still have that business continuity. And that's when the cloud came in, and they realized that they actually not need a very big business space for them to be able to work. Actually, people can still work remotely and be able to deliver. So the cloud, I would say, is the cloud is a future technology. So I would encourage you to put your first foot, especially for those people who have not actually done any cloud certification or have not done any cloud course. This is a good place to start, and you're not paying anything. The only thing that you need is just have some commitment in time. Just spare some time for you to be able to learn about these things, and then be able to schedule the exam. And again, I would advise you to schedule the exams before you finish the learning, because they have a deadline, so you need to make sure you do it. And it also requires discipline. So with the discipline, and you just spare some time, let's say like 2 hours every evening or 3 hours if you have more time, just try and learn about these skills. I'm sure these skills are going to help you out. So let's just move down and then we see what you have. So here they are provided three tabs. So start now, list of exam official rules, award prizes, and frequently asked questions. So we start off with the start now. So basically the race to certification challenge include free access to the OCI and the cloud application business process training and certifications. And the two free certification items valid from June 1, that's 12 a.m. GMT to through to August 31st, 2023. 11:59 GMT. So you have to complete the race certification challenge in each sector of the race to earn awards and win prizes along the way. The last day to register for a live event, take exam and consume the content is August 31st. So you have to make sure that before 31st August 2023, 11:59 p.m. you have consumed and taken the exams. So they have provided some steps that you need to follow to start certifying and participating in the challenge. So the first one is select the learning path from the list of the exams. So the learning path, you can decide you want to do the DevOps. Just let's just go back to the table. So cloud development, maybe you want to become a software developer, engineer. So and then you just click on the any of these. So the next one is join the race to certification challenge. Prepare for your exam by leveraging the exam preparation materials included in various learning paths, attending a live instructor-led event, or sparking a question in our community. Complete the sector challenges in the race to certification challenge and earn awards and win prizes. So you can also share your certification success on socials using the hashtag Oracle certified. So the next one is the list of the exam that you can do for free. So we have the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. That's a foundational associate exam. This one does not require a race to certification exam attempt. So this one is the foundational one. I remember I did mine in back in the 2020, and also I did in 2021. And then we have the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure 2023 DevOps Professional. This is a new exam that was introduced. I think that one was late last year. If yeah, someone can just correct me about it. And then we have the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Security. This one probably this year, because I remember last year there was no professional certification. Most of them were just associate exam. And then Oracle Cloud, I think also this one is a new exam. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure 2023 Data Science Professional. And then also this one, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure 2023 Cloud Operation Professional. Actually, for this one, we only had the associate. So we started off with the 2019, and then we came to 2020, and then we also did 2020, and then I'm seeing this one. Huh? And then we have the architecture professional. This one is an old exam. I think this was the only exam in the professional, especially for those people who want to be architect. So you do an architect associate and then do the professional exam, and then they will give you this certification. But now Oracle has introduced other professional certifications. So this one is an architect associate. So you had to do the architect associate for you to be able to be to be able to sit for this architect professional exam. And then for this one, we did have the developer professional, but now I'm seeing Oracle has also introduced the developer professional exam. So you can just decide on which exam you want to do. This one is a new exam. I think this one was not there. Even this one was not there. The infrastructure multi-cloud architect associate. For digital assistant, I think this one we only had the associate, but anyone can correct me on that. This one is also a new exam. Even this one we used to have. I think this one's a specialist. If I'm not wrong, someone can comment on the below the video and just provide the right information. But for me, I think this one was a specialist kind of an exam. And then enterprise analytical, most of these were just associate and specialist exams. So this one we used to have the only, it was called Oracle Developer Associate Exam, but now I'm seeing they call it Redwood Application. And then I'm seeing also Oracle Apex Cloud Developer Professional. So this one we never used to have a professional exam. Most of this was just specialist exams. And then the other one is Oracle Content Management Implementation Professional exam. This is another one. And then down we have Oracle Database Management. So under Database Management, Oracle Cloud Data Management, I don't think this one was there. This one is a new exam that has been introduced in 2023. So for autonomous Oracle Machine Learning using Autonomous Database Associate, even this one was not there, but I'm seeing now we have it. Oracle has introduced this one. This one we had for specialists. If not specialists, it was associate. But anyone can comment and correct me on this. And then we have Oracle based database services 2023. And then for the autonomous, I remember we had only the specialist. I remember doing the specialist exam. Now I'm seeing they also have a professional exam. So meaning that things are good now. And then the last one is Oracle Cloud Application Business Process exams. So basically, for these ones, I would say they are more of a specialist kind of an exam. So you can decide to take any of them. So this one I will not talk much about them because I've not done any of them. So this is an opportunity for you to be able to select any of the exams, and then just make sure that you do according to the prerequisite of the challenge. If it's sector one, we have specific requirement that you need to fulfill, and then as you move to the next sector, of course, each and every challenge has its own prerequisite that you need to meet. So let's just move to the third tab, which is the official rules. So these are the official rules. No purchase is necessary. So these exams are free, so you don't have to purchase anything. A purchase will not improve your chances of winning. Void where prohibited or restricted by law. By registering for the challenge, you fully and unconditionally agree to comply with all the terms and conditions below. If you do not agree with all these terms and conditions, do not register for the challenge. So, and then the fourth tab is award and the prizes. So these are the awards. So we have sector 1, sector 2, and sector 3. So for the sector 1, get started. You have to complete. I will just repeat basically what I mentioned earlier. So you have to, for sector 1, you have to complete one digital course, attend one live session, and then pass one certification for you to be able to win certification item valid for 1 year assigned at the end of the program. And then you also get special Oracle University Community Sector badge. For Sector 2, you have to complete 2 digital courses, attend one live session, pass 2 certification exams, and then you are going to win one additional certification item valid for one assigned at the end of the program. You see, this one you are given one, and then this one you have two. And then special Oracle University Community Sector 2 badge. So you are given Sector 1 and Sector 2 badges. This one also items you are given for sector 1 and sector 2. And then Oracle branded caps. So they will also give you a cap when you complete sector 2 with the highest cumulative exam score. So you must have be in the top 300 of the people who have attempted it, and you have passed really well. And then the third sector is sector 3, race to finish, where you need to have completed 3 digital courses and then attend 1 live session and then pass 4 certification exam, of which 2 of them must be professional credential exam. You remember in my list, in my previous list or table list, I was showing you the professional exam. So just make sure that you complete 2 of them, and then you can do the other associate, like 2 of them, and then you qualify for this one. And also just make sure that you attend to 1 live session, and also you must have completed 3 digital courses. So basically for this one, you're going to win sector 1, sector 2, sector 3 uh, exam attempt, certification attempt, valid for 1 year, assigned at the end of the program. And then they will also give you a special Oracle University Community Sector 3 badge. So you're going to get the 3 badges here. And then for this one, they will also allow you to access the OCI labs for 3 months. As I said earlier, that having access to these OCI labs is an advantage on your side, because you are going to do the practical. The practical experiment, or you'll be able to interact with some of these some of these tools and items in the cloud. And this one will actually help you to solidify the knowledge you have studied, the theoretical knowledge you have acquired in those parts. And you'll also receive a community spotlight, and then Oracle branded jacket. You are also going to be given an Oracle branded jacket, but the requirement is that you have to be in the first 300 to complete the sector 3 with the highest cumulative exam score. So initially, just like I said, when I was doing these Oracle exams, I remember during our time, it was just to pass and then they would give you the professional certification. We actually started off with the PSN Vue before Oracle moved to their own website, where you could just sit on their own website and then do the exam. So there were no these goodies they are giving people now. And I would encourage each and every person who would like to venture into the cloud to take this opportunity, because most of these exams are very, very expensive, especially the professional ones. So the only thing you need to sacrifice is time. Just spare some time, like 2 hours each and every day, just to try and go through some of this learning, the digital courses, and then sit for the exam. I believe if you are committed, you set out your goals, you will be able to achieve what you want to achieve. And the only thing you need is a laptop and the computer internet. Oracle has given you the courses for free, the exam certification. The only thing you need is your brain for you to be able to obtain this certification, because apart from the academics, employers are also looking into these certifications. So they are going to give you they are going you'll be ahead of other people, especially if you're applying for a job, because you have the industry standard professional certification. So we are going to read some of their literature down here. So Oracle University Community badges will be visible to your Oracle University Learning Community account at the end of each week when each sector is complete. I think they are just trying to do what Microsoft has done for the lender board. When you complete a certain challenge, then you are included in a lender board that you have completed that challenge. Or other prizes for each sector will be assessed and awarded at the end of the promotion. Winners will be notified by the email, and I believe this one is done. It's just done just the way the Microsoft does it, also, because when you complete later on, they will send you some vouchers and tell you to sit for the exams. So, sector 1 completion: when a participant has successfully completed 1 digital course, attended 1 live session, and passed 1 certification exam, participant receives a sector 1 special Oracle University Learning Community badge. So when you finish sector 1, that's what you are going to get. Sector 2 completion: when a Participant has successfully completed 2 digital courses, attended one live session, and passed 2 certification exams. Participant receive a Sector 2 Special Oracle University Learning Community. And then Sector 3 completion, when a participant has successfully completed 3 digital courses, attended one live session, and passed 4 certification exam. Participants receive a Sector 3 Special Oracle University Learning Community Badge. And just to remind you that in the Sector 3, 2 of those 4 certification must be at the professional level. Don't forget about that. So basically, you can just click here and then just activate. So I'm going to later on. I'm going to click on the activate, and then uh, all these ones you can just read them, and then just trying to get some information. So let's just click here and then see what we have. So I think they want me. This is an area I can start off. I think yes. So these are some of the courses because I had already done developer. That's why you're seeing some percentages here. So I have to complete this one for me to qualify for that. Let me just go back and then I'm just perusing through some of these courses for you to see. And then we have Oracle Cloud Database Application, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So basically, these are the learning materials that you need to read. And then we have the should be having some exams here. So these are the exams that you can sit for Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. For the security, this one become a cloud security professional. So for me, I might be interested in this one, cloud security, because I already have an associate, so this one will not. Yeah, so basically this is what we have. I'm also learning about them. So I just wanted to introduce this free certification that someone can just take advantage of, because most of these exams are very very expensive. If I were to pay for this exam, I don't think I would have achieved any of this certification. Kind of expensive, and if you get a chance of getting them for free, why not? Just spare some time. If you are a working class just like me, maybe in the evening, just take like 2 hours, and then over the weekend, just I try to use the rich dad poor dad, minding your own business. Sometimes the time you spare now, it will actually add value to your future career. So for me, I would say that this is one of the something that you can venture into that will add value into your life and also into your career. So you can spare like 2 hours just to be able to study these digital courses and then be able to book for the exam and then doing them. It will actually add value in your future. And if you have any comment, suggestion, or anything that you think that maybe we can correct, then kindly comment below my video, share with others some insight and other information that I've left out. This is I'll say this challenge. I think I saw an advert somewhere and then I decided let me just check it out and see what they have this time. And I think this time it's even better because during our time we only did the exam, you get your certification, and that's it, nothing more. But this time they are giving out even some goodies, and which I think is also very encouraging. I don't mean that goodies should be the main reason as to why you are taking this exam. You have to get to gain the skills plus the professional certification for you to leverage your career to step foot forward to have an advantage over other IT applicants who are applying for the same job and being able to deliver. So it's not basically about the goodies, but I'm just saying that this is something that Oracle has added just to encourage people to be able to, because some of us we also want to identify ourselves with this tech giant. organization that at least I saw with Microsoft they had introduced. I remember they sent some bugs to us, and also what they have done, they are also giving out some card showing some number of certifications that someone has attended to them, and it has. I would say that it has really encouraged, especially if a prospective employer asks you if you are certified on this one, you can always produce a card and show them that you already have this card for them, and at least they will give you that project for you to be able to do it. And I would encourage you, if you have any suggestion, if you have any comment that you think that can help the community, kindly put it in my below the video, and I will encourage you to subscribe on my channel just in case I have other goodies coming up, and you'll also be able to receive some notification of any other video that I upload which has some goodies that you can try them out. And I would also like you to like my video so that YouTube can pick the algorithm, and at least it will be able to be showing as a frequent video as to those people who are interested in the IT field. And I would also like you to press the notification bell such that when a new video is uploaded on my channel, you'll be the first one to be notified. So basically here, I'm just purely uploading IT related materials. So I believe this is an opportunity for us to grow together as a community. I wish you all the best as you study, and also as you take your exam. You can also share your experience in the comment below so that other people can also learn. Thank you. Adios.